This is our dual UTA hardware, which means dual universal telephony adapter. Basically this supports different kinds of interfaces. As you can see, is FXO port it has got. In order to pair a mobile, it has got 3.5mm audio jacks for smartphones, in and out ports. And also in order to connect a phone, which is an analog phone or IP phone, you got a headset at the front, and you can see at the back you got headset base. Okay, so again it supports Bluetooth, which is basically for pairing mobile phones, and call control options can be used using this. This pairing takes place using 80 commands. We have also got an option for PTT, which is for push to talk. This is basically used to test a military radio or any PTT hardware devices. So now we are going to explain how we connect mobile cables, 3.5mm audio cables to a mobile and perform the test. As you are seeing are the 3.5mm audio jacks, which has got in and out ports, as well as the port to connect to the mobile. Okay, so basically, as I said, you can see in and out port on the dual UTA hardware, which is mentioned. So I am connecting the respective ports. So you can see in port being connected and out port being connected to out port. The other end of the mobile, as you can see, will go to this. The other end of the cable, 3.5mm jack, will go into the mobile. Okay, so once this connection is done, using a vQuad, you can control the call control and perform traffic operations like send digits, send tones, and perform voice quality analysis by sending and recording voice files. Connect audio cables which have 2.5mm jacks. Okay, so I mean these jacks are used basically for normal phones, which are not like smartphones or like earlier Nokia phones or any different simple phones. Okay, as you can see, it has got two ports with a red lid and a white lid. You can see here. So this white lid has to be connected to the out port, and the red lid has to be connected to the in port of dual UTA. Right now we'll do that connection. Once this connection is done, then the other end of the cable will be connected to the mobile. So once you connect this headset jack, now it will detect as a headphone on the mobile, and once this is done, next by using vQuad software with dual UTA hardware, you can perform calls, you can place calls using mobile interface, and then you can control the traffic like send tones, digits, and then send and record voice files, and these voice files can be given to VQT for performing voice quality analysis.